Hi, welcome to my channel. So in my previous video I showed you how to import existing games in our Epic Games launcher. So in that video I only show you how to import uh, those games that were already installed from Epic Games. So in this video I'll show you how to import Steam games in Epic Games launcher. So for that I have a game which is here it is here it is okay, Dying Light. So I bought it before it was given away for free from Epic. So now I wanna import it on my Epic Games launcher. So for that, all I have to do is to click on this and go to my local files. So here, as you can see, here is our local folder, and our game size is 37.2 gigabytes. So now that I wanna import in it on my Epic Games launcher. So for that, all I have to do is to click on Epic Games. I'm gonna pause it. So I'm gonna search Dying Light. So here is my Dying Light on Epic Games folder. Now I'm gonna click on install and browse to my folder where it's installed on my Steam account. And here it's installed on my Steam account. I'm gonna click on select folder. Now it gave a folder name for us, so I'm gonna click on Dying Light, go to the folder where it's installed from Steam, and rename it to the folder name given by Epic Games. Now here it is. Okay, let's do it again. Click on it. So same path. Now gonna rename it to the name given by Epic and click on install. So like the previous method I showed you to import Epic Games for a game on Epic Games launcher that is already installed on your hard drive, and with the same method you can also import your Steam games on your Epic Games launcher. For example, if any game became free, it comes for free on Epic Games launcher and you wanna import it on your Epic's launcher from Steam, that's the way to do it. So thanks for watching.